Hi friends, what do you think that some objects sink or some objects float in water? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Daviksin. Today we are gonna do super fun salt density experiment. Let's begin with few fun objects in plain water to see whichever object floats or sinks. After the plain water, we will do it 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg salt. It is going to be very fun. Watch till the end. Let's begin with orange eraser. Let's see it in sinks or float. It sinks. Now let's start with pumpkin. Here, watermelon. Let's see if it floats or not. It sinks. Now let's do it. The dragon fruit. Let's see. It sinks. Now let's do it. The strawberry one. Let's see if it sinks or floats. It sinks. Now let's do it. Pinky the egg. Let's see he floats or sinks. Wow, Pinky the egg and sink. Now let's do it. Gluey the glitter. Let's see he floats or sinks. He floats. Now let's do it. 1. The balloon, water balloon. 1 and float. 1 the balloon and float. Now let's do it. Stone the rock. Stone the rock and sink. Now with marble. Let's see he floats or sinks. He floats! Now let's do it. Play. Let's see he floats or sinks. Play sinks. Now let's do it. Baby balls. Let's see he floats or sinks. Baby balls floats. Baby balls a bottle. Now let's do it. Penguin. Let's see he floats or sinks. Penguin has floated. Before adding the salt in the container, let's see what happens if we add ice in plain water. First add 1. It floats and it melts very fast. See, it has already melted super quickly. Now let's do it 1 kg salt. Now let's add salt. First let's add salt. Now let's mix it. Hey friends, do you think that this water is more saltier than the ocean water? See, the salt has settled down. Let's begin with the experiment. Now let's do it. The watermelon. 3, 2, 1, go. It had sinked. The watermelon, the eraser had sinked. Now let's do it. The rock. Let's see he sinks or float. He sinks. Now let's try with the egg. Let's see he floats or sinks. The Pinky the egg had sink. Now let's try with the glue. 3, 2, 1. The glue had floated. Now let's do it. Baby balls the bottle. Let's see he floats or sinks. He floats. Now let's do it. Play. 3, 2, 1. Let's see he sinks or floats. Play sinks. Now let's try with marble. He floats. Now let's try with penguin the eraser. Let's see he floats or sinks. Penguin floats. Now let's try with 1. 3, 2, 1. Let's see him floats or sinks. Whee! He floats, he floats, he floats, he floats, he floats. Hey friends, this egg is standing upright straight because the salt has density. In fresh water, it was sinking like this. Let's first add the ice in salty water and let's see how the ice behaves in salty water. Wow, it is floating way above the salty water. And it will melt very late. See, the ice didn't melted. It is taking time. Let's add 1 more kg of salt. First, let's add it. Hey. The salt has settled. Now let's begin. First, let's keep it behind the aquarium. Now let's add watermelon eraser. Oh, that sank. Now let's add Pinky the egg. Let's see Pinky floats or not. Oh, Pinky the egg floated. For the first time we had saw Pinky the egg had floated. Now let's try 1. Oh. Also 1 has floated too. Now let's add rock the stone. 3, 2, 1. Rock is almost floating. Now let's add Baby Boss the water treat. Let's see if he floats or not. Oh, Baby Boss the bottle has floated. Now let's add marble. Marble has floated. Now let's add glitter. Glitter has floated. Now let's add play. Let's see he floats or not. Placings. Now let's add penguin. Penguin has floated. Penguin the eraser. See the most important observation. Pinky the egg is floating. If we try to push him, see, he's just floating. If I push him very hard, then see, floating. If I just keep it him, still he is floating up because there is so much of density. The 2 kg salt water is very dense, so that's why the egg is floating. Pinky the egg. Let's try with 3 kg salt. Let's add 3 kg salt. Let I grab this bowl of salt and pour it. Now let's mix it. Yeah. La, la, la. La, la. The salt is dissolved. Let's test it. First, let's take the dragon fruit and let's see if it floats or sinks. It sinks. Now let's add baby boss, the bottle. Baby boss is floating. The baby boss, the bottle. Now let's add play. Sink. Now let's add marble. Marble has floated. Now let's add glitter. Glitter has floated. Now let's add Pinky, the egg. Let's see Pinky can float or not. Pinky floats. Now let's add one. One is floating. Now let's add rock the stone. Rock has sinked. Now let's add penguin the eraser. Penguin has floated. As you observe, the objects didn't change. Salt makes the water denser. Denser water can lift heavy things. Science is fun. Try it at home. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Wah! 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 Do you think this water is more dense than seas?